good day CM1. I hope that everybody is doing well and that you are having a great start to the week. Welcome to your English class, and today we are doing lesson 11. Today we will be starting with unit 3. Yes, it's the beginning of unit 3, and our title is Do you like spicy food? Can you repeat after me? Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Good job. Spicy food. Let me think. Do I like spicy food? Yes, I do. But since growing older, I don't eat spicy food often because it's not healthy. But sometimes, yes, I do eat spicy food. Okay, so before we start with our lesson, we were going to watch an introduction video, a quick introduction video with food vocabulary, okay? So you will play the video and repeat the food vocabulary that they have, okay? It's exercises, so you exercise your food vocabulary. Okay, and then after that, the vocabulary, then we are going to start our lesson. Okay, so we are all on page 16. On page 16. And I will read the vocabulary word and you will repeat after me, okay? As you can see here in our book, we have our vocabulary words. Okay, all right. A, lettuce. Lettuce. Then I'm going to make a sentence with the word I like or I don't like, and you will repeat. Okay. I like lettuce. I like lettuce. Okay. Now I will make a sentence again, but now I will say why. Give a reason. I like lettuce because. Okay. I like lettuce because it's crunchy. Good. Okay, let's move on to B. Okay. Onions. Onions. I don't like onions. Then if my sentence is I don't like onions, then I have to say why. I don't like onions because I don't like the taste. I don't like onions because I don't like the taste. Okay, so I was just giving you 2 examples, and that's what you're going to do for homework when you're at home, and it's part of your classwork. You're going to say, I will give you a food and give you a choice. You have to say you like it or you don't like it, and then you have to say why. So you will write a sentence. I like lettuce because it's crunchy. If you don't like lettuce, I don't like lettuce because, okay? For each of the words, you will make a sentence saying if you like it or if you don't like it and why. Okay, let's move on with our vocabulary. C, chicken. Chicken. I like chicken. I like chicken because it's crispy and delicious. Okay, so that's an example. Salmon. Salmon. So when we say salmon, we don't pronounce the L. It's a silent L, okay? I don't like salmon. I don't like salmon. Good. Okay, E. Noodles. Noodles. I like noodles. F. So this is not writing, we're just practicing, okay? Tomato. Tomato. I like a big tomato. Or I like tomatoes. Carrots. Carrots. I don't like carrots. Potato. Potato. I like a potato, or I like potatoes. Okay, next one. Soup. Soup. I don't like soup. Beans. Beans. I like beans. Okay. Cheese. Cheese. I don't like cheese. L. Shrimp. Shrimp. I like shrimp. Beef. Beef. I don't like beef. Tuna. Tuna. I like tuna. Rice. Rice. I don't like rice. Bread. Bread. I like bread. Okay, all right, that's it. Fantastic, good job. All right, and then the next thing is for your classwork, I am going to give you 10 foods. I will choose from the vocabulary list. I will give you 10 foods. Then you have to write a sentence about that food. If you like it, you will say, I like carrots because they are healthy and good for my eyes. But if you don't like an apple and it's on the list, you say, I don't like apples because, and you give a reason, okay? So you will give a reason. I already gave you an example. Okay, shrimp. I don't like shrimp because I hate the taste, okay? So you choose one word, one word will be I like, the other word I don't like, next word I like, I don't like, until you finish all those words. Okay, all right. That's it. And moving on, now you're going to do vocabulary number 1 and fill in the letters, okay? You will fill in the letters of the foods. What food is it? So that's very easy. It shouldn't take you a long time. It should take you about 1 or 2 minutes, okay? Everyone can do that. It's simple. Now we move on to number 2. And number 2, you are going to complete the chart, okay? Complete the chart. You will add 2 more foods, okay? Because there is space. I know the book says add 1, but I want you to add 2, okay? Because there's space for 2 things, okay? So I will give you some examples here, okay? You can use some of my things, but you can add some of your things as well. Don't copy everything I say. It's just an example. Okay, for meat, in the book, they have beef. What other meats do we have? We have chicken, we have lamb, we have steak, we have pork. So you choose any 2 and you add 2 more to the list, okay? Seafood. In the book, they have salmon. What other seafoods are there? We have mussels, we have clams, we have lobster, we have crayfish. Okay, so we have many seafood. You choose 2, your choice, and you write it down. Okay, vegetables. Okay, so in the book, they gave us lettuce. What other vegetables do we have? We have potatoes, we have onions, we have green peppers, we have mushrooms, we have carrots. There's many. Just choose 2 and write it down. And then others. What other foods are there? Okay, cheese. What other food do we have? Ice cream. What other food do we have? Cake. What other food do we have? Eggs. What else do we have? Noodles. And what else do we have? Rice. Okay, so you can choose any food that you like for other and you write it down. So On the charts, you just add 2 more. Okay, that's for number 2. Good job. Okay, and then we have number 3. Don't do number 3 today. Okay, it's not part of your classwork. You don't have to worry about doing number 3. Okay, fantastic. All right, now we are going to move on to our workbook and turn to page 11. Page 11 in our workbook. Okay, workbook. Page 11. And the title is still, do you like spicy food? Okay, so we have vocabulary. You need to find the food. More food vocabulary, food words, okay? They are there. If you see a food word, you need to mark it, okay? Mark it and choose that word and find it in the puzzle, okay? And also look at your book, the SB, the student book, to look for food names. And if you recognize in the puzzle, then you fill it in. Okay, very easy. Okay, number 1. And then number 2, label the pictures. Okay, so you will label the pictures of the food. What is this food name? Okay, so what is in the plate? Okay, so here, what is in the plate? So you will see, I see. If in your plate, what do you see? I see carrots, then you write it down. I see bread, then you write it down. Write whatever you see on the plate, write it down. Okay, so you will be doing number 1 and you will be doing number 2. Okay, that's it for today. And congratulations and good job. Everyone, after the video, please go to LMS and go and check for your homework and your classwork. And I will see you in lesson 12. Good job and have a very nice day. Goodbye. If you have any questions, please send me a message on LMS. All right. Thank you. Bye.